Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you haven't been here before. If you haven't, this is my Avid Bandit. I'm just in the tail end of putting a new motor in it, and a new panel, and some landing gear upgrades, and a bunch of other stuff. I just finished the panel. This is the last night before surgery. If you haven't been here before, I'm going to get surgery for the fourth time on my shoulder tomorrow. And so I've got done everything I can do aside from the pipe, and the instrument cluster needs to be married to the ECU, and the fuel lines need to be run. All the pumps are in, and the suction side is done up to the T, and then it'll just be the suction lines to main pump and auxiliary pump, and then out to the fuel rail and all the rest of that, the pressure side. But yeah, got the panel in, and believe it or not, all the electrical worked as I intended it first try. So I'll show you the new panel. All right, so there it is. Everything worked out as it should. The only thing I'm not very happy about is I kind of screwed that cut up. So that's a little bit ugly. And I think I wasn't paying attention. That opens that way. I think I'm going to flip that over so that it opens the other way. All right, so first thing is battery cutoff. Reach in here, made this little hole a little bit too small. My finger doesn't quite fit in there. So battery on. Master on. This will be avionics on. And then this will be comms, radio master. And then boost pump, auxiliary fuel pump, starter on off, start button, the DES, which is instead of a key. And I got the charger wired in on a plug there, so it can sit on a charger. Boost pump, that little heater actually puts out a little bit of heat, so I think it might work. So yeah. So I put let's see here. So we got strobes. I don't know if the camera will pick that up or not. And then we got the gear lights. And then we got the nav lights, which the plane doesn't have nav lights, but when I change the wings, it probably will. And then these are cabin lights. And on that switch is also the cargo compartment lights. And then that's a spare. On the bottom row, we got this USB port. And then we got auxiliary power 2, which should light that one up. And then heat and the fan for the heat. And then a spare on the bottom row for future accessories. So yeah, that's it. Oh. So the top turned out pretty good. All the radio wires are all tucked away for the most part there, except for the antenna. Alright, well there it is. Let me know what you think. I wish we got the fuel lines done, but all in all I'm pretty happy with the way the panel and everything turned out, all the electrical. So hopefully the fuel lines go that smooth for, I think I'm going to get my brother to come and do it. Because I don't really want to wait a couple months to do the fuel lines. But anyway, in the meantime, it'll go for the pipe, go to get the pipe built, and then get the programming done. and then I'll just be waiting to heal. Anyway, if you like this kind of thing, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell notification if you want to get notified of the next one. You know what to do. And that's for me. I think I'm going to wrap this one up here. It's the middle of the night. So I'm going to go have a shower and go to bed. Thanks for stopping by. Catch you on the next one.